She's a Mona Lisa. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
Hey guys, so today I will be showing you how I do my false lashes, and I have monolids, so this is going to be a little challenge here. Like most people out there have double eyelids. Me, for an exception, I have monolids, so that means I have more of a makeup challenge when it comes to my eyes. Today's video is just going to be me showcasing y'all how I do my lashes and how I do my eye makeup, and I hope this will be helpful for those of you who have monolids, and I really hope this video helps out because I know me growing up like not knowing how to do eye makeup was a very big challenge for me, and I was just frustrated with it because of my eyes. And instead of like being angry of my eye shape, I will focus on how to enhance my eyes instead of like just combating my natural eyes, if you know what I mean. First of all, I'm going to show you some of my favorite products from different lash companies. So here are some of my favorite lashes that I've gotten so far. The first brand I'll talk about is Kiss. So these three are actually from Kiss, and they're just like a really nice lash brand to pick up from your local drugstore. And I just adore these because these are so insanely affordable for a great quality product. This one is the 5-pack that you can see at like Walmart or Ulta, and these are in the number 11 pack. I don't know if they have names, but I just know they have numbers to label the lash styles that they offer. And this one I saw on TikTok, it was like the most popular one that most girls like to use. And no joke, these are very wispy, very lengthening kind of lashes, and I really adore it. And as you can see, I use like some of them down there, and I like to save my lashes because, you know, your girl likes to reuse things and not waste anything. So I'm just covering the bottom here. But they are just really great, affordable brand, and I just love how they look on my eyes. And then these like individual ones I like to use to fill up the spaces between my eyes with these ones because, you know, sometimes there will be gaps or I'm just not satisfied with the amount of volume with my lashes. So I'll just like add these individual ones just to create a whole new look with the volumizer. And then this one I have not used. This is the True Volume Pumped Up Effect lashes, and they're made with 100% natural hair. And then I have a few from Ardell Lashes. I don't really like Ardell Lashes because of their band. I have no problem with like the length, the volume and stuff like that. It's just the band never really works for me. So this one is the Ardell Wispy's Original Feathered Lash with Invisiband. And this one actually comes with glue, which was very surprising because they don't really offer glue. And as you can see, I have not opened this yet, and this one I have used. I did not like it. It's the Faux Mink Demi Wispies, and I did not enjoy these. These bands were just not my type. I just didn't like it. It was not compatible for monolids. And I think these ones look a little bit better compared to the one I just showed. It kind of looks like the Kiss bands, you know, just the invisible traditional bands you would see, and I think this one would work a little better for me. All right, so I have two lash glues from Duo and Allure, and I have tried Allure lashes before. They're actually really good. They're really good quality, and they're like branded in London. So the first one here is like the typical lash glue you'll find anywhere in any drugstore, Sephora, Ulta. This is the Duo lash glue, and this one is white, but it dries clear. So that's one option. And then this option I have here is by Allure. It's the 18-hour lash glue in black finish. And also this is latex free. I've only had this for a couple months now, and I have to say this is one of my favorite lash glue because it dries black and it doesn't irritate your eye. It like helps enhance your eyeline and actually dries pretty fast, so a bonus for that. And it's just black, just a staple eye glue every girl needs. It just helps enhance, like I said, your lash line, so it blends in with your eyeliner when you put it on. All right, so you have your lashes here and your handy tweezer. You're just gonna slightly pull your lashes and they should come right off like so. So now that you have your lashes ready, you're just going to place them right on top of your eyeballs or or your lash line, and then you just kind of measure out. You can kind of eyeball it how much you need off, because usually these lashes are made to be very long, so it fits all eye shapes. And for me, I'm obviously Asian, I have really small eyes and I don't need this much of lash. So I just apply to see how much I need, and then I'll go ahead and snip off. And I just only snipped off like this much. It's barely any. And I'm just gonna keep doing the whole process again, measuring, snipping, measuring, snipping. And just make sure you don't snip off like everything. So you're just going to place on. And if you like the length, you're ready to go. So I'm gonna kind of show you different lash glues. So like for one eye, I'm gonna use the invisible glue, and the other I'm gonna use the black latex glue. So the first eye I'm gonna use it with the Duo invisible glue. So as you can see here, I'm just going to go ahead and apply just a little bit onto the band, and make sure you get the edges the most. Like put a generous amount on the edges, because the edge is where it's going to start peeling first. All right, so once you have your lashes ready, you're just gonna wait for like 10 seconds and it should be a little tacky, and that's when you know it's ready to go. So you can see I have applied it on, and it kind of makes my eyes look droopy or like puppy-eyed. And I was just so used to how I would put on my other pair of lashes. I just didn't, realize that these on the outer part would look very like long and drooped down. So it's kind of my fault for like putting it or placing it the way it is. I should have like tugged it in like into the inner corners a little bit. But overall, it looks really good. And if you guys were wondering why I didn't curl my lashes and put mascara to make it all blend with my falsies, it's just I don't really need to, because I have very like invisible short stubby lashes. They don't do anything. Like if I try to add mascara, it'll like droop down even more, and then like it'll be obvious that I have falsies on, and then like my real lashes going down this way. And like it just wouldn't look cute. If you were wondering why you can still see like the little visible band, the way I like to blend it all in is by adding eyeliner. Alright, I'm just gonna curl and do my mascara, because I kind of low-key feel uncomfortable just leaving my lashes like so. So I'm just gonna try to curl my whole entire lash. Oh, that just made it worse. Oh no. That was not it, folks. That was not it. Low-key, I just made it worse by curling it. Okay, so I missed a step. Make sure you curl your lashes and put mascara on first before you put your falsies, if you're planning to do so. But for me, I wasn't planning on doing mascara and curling my lashes. So, my mistake on my part, I'm sorry. But yeah, it looks kind of droopy now. Love that. I'm gonna try to curl it as much as I can. Okay, low-key, not bad. I don't think I messed it up more. All right, and then the mascara I like to use is the Benefit Bad Gal Bang. And this is just the mascara I've been using so far, and it works, so I like it. I don't go ham with the mascara because I know I'm just gonna ruin the falsies, and really I don't need that much mascara. And then we're gonna move on to eyeliner. So for monolids, eyeliner is kind of tricky around here. For me, when I put on eyeliner, you literally can't see anything on my eyelids. So we're gonna teach you a little trick here. Not really a trick, just how I like to do it. So I'm gonna use the ColourPop liquid liner in the color numero uno. So funny. So this eyeliner is actually made in Korea. So you know this eyeliner is good. And it's like waterproof and all that good stuff. Your homegirl was stupid and messed up on the last footage. It was very blurry and very out of focus, and the lighting was just trash. So I literally just filmed the whole process of me putting on my eyeliner, but like it's still incomplete because like there's no wing for it. So I'm gonna kind of like go back and talk through how I just did my eyeliner. If you can't tell, I really just messed up on my eyeliner, but I don't think it's that bad. It just makes my eye look a lot droopier than it actually should look, you know? But like from far away, it's not too bad, right? But if it like doesn't work out, you can always like start over, like use a Q-tip. Okay, I just did that to make my eyes look a lot less droopier. Got my lashes. Like I said, I'm gonna be using the black eyeliner on this side now. And that is all that I do for the lashes and eyeliner look. And actually it turned out pretty good. I just had to adjust this eye because I obviously moved the very long side to like the bottom of my eyes, my eye line, which was not a good idea. I mean, it's a great idea if you were looking for like an anime or like a cute baby doll look, but that was not what I was looking for. And I think this is so much better. It looks very fierce and sharp and bold and just, you know, looks like you're ready to rock the roll with this eye look. And this is like so far how I like to do my eyeliner and eyelashes, and it feels very comfortable on monolids for me. And yeah, if you guys have any more questions, please comment down below. And I know I'm no expert in doing makeup, obviously. This is just how I like to do it and just my routine way of doing false lashes and eyeliner, and it just makes your eyes, or it just makes my eyes, look super dramatic, super big, even though it's not. So I love it. It's great for like a little outing with friends or just for like a little party. This is the eye look I've been dreaming of since I was a kid, and I finally achieved it. And I know throughout this video I just like tumbled and just did really poorly on a few parts, and obviously I picked myself up and redid a few parts on my eyes, and now it looks amazing to me.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper.